Parents, skip drilling the ABC song. It's old school. Early reading depends now more on listening than seeing. Before formal phonics, children benefit from a foundation of sound awareness, hearing syllables, feeling rhythm, and playing with spoken patterns. Teaching letter names in isolation only provides a starting point. Kids might sing C but still struggle to pick apart sounds in words. When auditory skills are neglected, children often decode text but miss comprehension because mental effort goes into decoding. Prioritizing oral language, rhythm, and sound play reduces anxiety in our children and builds a deeper processing, especially for children from marginalized backgrounds. Leave letter to print mapping for school. Don't worry about that. At home, try sound games, rhyme play, and syllable clapping. Comment if you want a pattern-first plan. I can provide that for you. I'm Dr. Gwendolyn Battle-Lavert, your literacy specialist and advocate. Call me.